Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of coolant oil products and accessories to help you find the best options for your vehicles. Whether you're looking for a premium solution or a budget-friendly pick, I've got you covered with a detailed breakdown of the top 5 products on the market. Stick around for the full countdown, and don't forget to check out the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Dormund 667-026 Turbocharger Coolant and Oil Supply Return Line Kit. Designed specifically for select Buick, Chevrolet, and GMC models. This kit comes with direct replacement components that match the fit and function of the original parts, making it a reliable option for turbochargers that need maintenance or replacement. The durable construction ensures long-term performance, while the components are engineered to tackle leaks or failures effectively. In terms of design and build quality, the materials used are robust, and the kit is backed by Dormund's team of automotive experts. With over a century of experience, you know you're getting trustworthy quality here. However, it's worth noting that this kit weighs 2.5 pounds and has dimensions of 22.9 by 10.8 by 6 inches. So it's not as compact as some other options on this list. This can be a drawback for those working in tight engine spaces. Now, while the performance is solid, the product's limited customer reviews, a 3.0 rating from just 2 users, suggest it might not be the first choice for everyone. This kit shines for turbocharger maintenance and repairs, but may not appeal to users who need a more universal solution. Overall, it's a specialized product that fits well for specific applications. At number 4, we have the Michigan Motorsports LS Engine Block Coolant and Oil Plug Kit, which is compatible with LS blocks ranging from 4.8 liters to 6.2 liters. This kit offers complete plug coverage, including threaded block plugs, a front galley press plug, and a rear barbell plug, ensuring maximum sealing power for engine builds. It's designed to work seamlessly with Gen 3 and 4 platforms, making it a versatile option for LS engine enthusiasts. The build quality is excellent, with machined metal components that resist leaks and corrosion. The pre-applied thread sealant offers heat resistance, ensuring optimal performance during high-stress applications. The barbell-style oil galley plug is a standout feature, providing dual-seal functionality that enhances rear galley reliability. However, with a weight of just 6 ounces and compact dimensions, this kit is easy to handle and store, making it a convenient choice for DIY mechanics. While this product excels in terms of performance, its limited customer reviews, 4.4 stars from 24 ratings, suggest it hasn't yet gained widespread recognition. Ideal for engine rebuilds or maintenance, it's a must-have for LS engine owners, but might not be suitable for those outside this niche. Overall, it's a fantastic product for its intended use, but lacks universal appeal. Coming in at number 3 is the CD 22-piece no-spill coolant filling funnel kit, a comprehensive solution for coolant refills and automotive maintenance. This kit includes adapters, filler caps, a transparent antifreeze funnel, siphon hand pump, extensions, and even a towel, making it one of the most versatile options on our list. Whether you're flushing an engine or working on hard-to-reach areas, the flexible extensions and 45-degree elbows make the job significantly easier. The design is user-friendly, with a rotary switch for precise control over overflow and bubbles during coolant filling. The transparent funnel allows you to monitor the liquid flow easily, enhancing the overall user experience. The included siphon pump is intuitive to use, thanks to the directional arrow on the bulb, and the high-quality PVC hose ensures durability during repeated use. While the CD kit excels in versatility, its heavier weight, 0.98 kilograms, and bulkier design might be a drawback for mechanics looking for a more streamlined tool. Additionally, the lack of customer reviews makes it harder to gauge long-term reliability. However, for those seeking an all-in-one solution for coolant and oil maintenance, this kit is a fantastic choice, offering excellent value for a wide range of automotive tasks. At number 2, we have the Hexeniggley 3PCS Automotive Funnel Set, a practical yet versatile option for handling liquids like engine oil, gasoline, and coolant. This set includes 3 different funnels, each tailored for specific tasks. A black funnel with a filter screen, a red funnel for angled filling, and an orange, long-necked funnel for hard-to-reach spots. The detachable spout and filter make cleanup and impurity removal a breeze, ensuring a hassle-free user experience. Made from flexible plastic material, these funnels are lightweight, durable, and environmentally friendly. Their reusable design makes them ideal for both automotive and household applications. The wide openings reduce the chances of spills, while the compact dimensions make them easy to store. However, the 100 milliliter capacity might be insufficient for larger-scale tasks. So keep that in mind if you're working on bigger projects. This set is perfect for budget-conscious users who need a reliable yet straightforward solution for handling liquids. While Hexeniggley's funnels don't offer the advanced features of higher-end products, their simplicity and effectiveness make them a solid choice for everyday use. If you're after a no-frills option that gets the job done, this is a fantastic pick. And finally, at the top of our list is the Dormund 926427 oil and coolant temperature sensor, a premium option that combines precision engineering with durability. Designed as a direct replacement for original sensors, this product is ideal for vehicles with sensors that have failed due to fatigue or electrical malfunction. Backed by Dormund's team of automotive experts and over a century of experience, this sensor ensures reliable performance and a long service life. What sets this sensor apart is its durable construction and high-quality components. The flange mount design makes installation straightforward, while the measuring range of up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit ensures accurate readings under demanding conditions. With a compact size of 3 by 3 by 3 inches and a lightweight design, it's easy to handle and install, making it a favorite among DIYers and professionals alike. Priced at $38.08, this sensor offers excellent value for money, especially considering its trustworthy quality and reliable performance. The overwhelmingly positive customer reviews, 4.7 stars from 76 ratings, further solidify its spot as the best choice for coolant oil sensors. If you need a dependable solution that's built to last, the Dormund 926427 is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in deciding which coolant oil product is right for you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you ASAP. See you in the next video.